Hey Naturephiles. So I'm sure some of you wonder, hey Zach, are you always carrying a ton of gear with you? I'd like to assure you, while I like that you think I'm that dedicated, it couldn't be further from the truth. Sometimes I like to go out with a nice lightweight pack and enjoy the hike just for myself. And obviously you guys don't get to see that, so what do I carry on a hike like that? Let's check it out. So on days where I head out and I want to keep it minimal, I carry something like this along. In this case, it's an Alpaka Sling. Being a photographer, you know I'm not happy with the quality out of a phone alone. So in my bag, I always have my trusty Ricoh GR. That way, when a photo opportunity comes up, I can still be assured I'm going to get the quality without having to carry the extra weight penalty of a much larger camera. Along with that, I like to get up close with nature, and I do that with these Pentax Papillo IIs. This allows you to see objects further in the distance and get great detail from it. But the party trick of these particular binos is you can also see stuff up close, as it has a macro mode up to 50 centimeters, allowing you to get detail in things that are nice and close up without having to stick your face right in there with the potential of getting bitten by whatever you happen to be staring at. And you know your boy might get hungry on a trek, so he always carries a snack with him. In this case, a squashed peanut butter Cliff Bar. Obviously, along with this, I usually have a water bottle on me too, but it's a fairly cool day today, so I just left it in the car, which is fine, as I know the walk and it's fairly short. Anyways, I hope that answered some of your curiosity, and I'll see you on the next one.